Lucy Squad, welcome back again. If you're new here, I am Lucy, and yes, I like creating videos. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back and clicking and watching this video, guys. So today I'm in the kitchen, as you know, and yes, today I want just to make sandwich for lunch. This you can use for lunch, you can use as a snack, you can use as a prep snack too when you're dieting. And this sandwich is very delicious and very yummy. Yes, today I'm happy. And yes, let's go make this sandwich, guys. And don't forget to click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And good vibes to everyone, guys. And yeah, let's get started. As you can see, always let me show you everything which I have, what we're going to need to make this sandwich, guys, and why I'm telling you it's very healthy. First, we got our tomatoes. I've got my onions, and I've got cucumber cut. I've got my lettuce, I've got my basil there, I've got my butter, salted butter, and I've got mayonnaise here, and I've got this beef prawn here. So I've got my bread, and this, guys, remember, this is whole bread, not brown, not black. This is whole bread, guys, so that's why this is so good to your health, and you're going to be full. Like, this is whole wheat, there's nothing removed there, and very good for people also with diabetic, and good when you're dieting, when you're doing your health nutritional challenge or whatever. This is good for you. And yeah, take it as a lunch. It's yes, just to minimize, or if you're dieting, if you're going through your weight loss journey, you can do this, guys. So yeah, let's make this video quick and simple and short for you to enjoy, guys. Let's get started. Guys. I have my two slices of bread here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this butter. I'm going to spread this butter on one slice and the other one. And this is very delicious sandwich, guys, and you can use it you can take it as lunch, as snack, and as break time. Yeah, if you're feeling like a little bit hungry, and also it makes you very full. Remember, I told you guys, this bread is whole wheat bread. So I'm just going to spread one slice with this butter, and yeah, so, and then I'm going to put my beef prawn there, or ham if you want. And then I wanted just to make these onions just a little bit, to cook them a little bit with a little of oil, so that they can bring flavor and taste in your mouth. So yeah, let's make them fast. So I've got my pan here, put a little bit of oil. I've put a little bit of oil there, and then I'm just going to fry this a little bit. They're going to be so tasty, guys, and this sandwich is going to be so yummy and so delicious, very delicious. Try this, guys. You'll tell me, and come and comment down below how you tasted this sandwich, guys. This is going to be so delicious. Even hot dog, when you're doing a hot dog, guys, just try to fry the onions a little bit and then put them in your hot dog, rather than putting a raw onion. I'm going just to fry them a little bit, and when they're done, we make our sandwich, guys. So until you see them brown like this, guys, then you know they're good. So let's fry them until they're a little bit browner, like this one. This onion is a little bit brown. This sandwich is going to be delicious, very delicious. If you're passing through, you're new to this channel, guys, you're welcome to subscribe and watch my videos. I do cooking videos, I do vlogs, and I do how-to videos, some how-to videos. Yes, guys, I do remedies, beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. So you're welcome. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're new to this video, I'm welcoming you so much. Thank you so much for choosing this video and clicking and watching this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching this video, guys. So support me, subscribe, it's free. Subscribe to this channel, the red button there, written subscribe, just click it, subscribe. And also don't forget to like this video if you think it's helpful, it helped you in any way. You can go and watch my other videos, guys. So our onion is ready. Now we switch off our heat, and yeah, now they're ready. So let's make our sandwich. So guys, here is our onions, and I'm just going, you see, they'll be so delicious and smells good. So I'm going to just lay out to lay out my onions. I'm going just to lay out my onions. I'm telling you, I am assuring you guys, this sandwich is going to be so tasty. Forget the sandwiches which they tell you you put onions which you have not fried. You know, onion when it's fried, it has taste like it has sweetness in it, like you have added some sugar in it. It tastes good when you fry it. So I hope you're seeing this, guys, my camera view. Hope you're seeing it. There is my sandwich, this one. And I'm going just to lay out my tomatoes. If you had bigger tomatoes, the bigger the circle of the tomato will be. So I'm just going to lay out like that. Depends how many tomatoes you want. For me, I want it that way. So guys, this is the part where you can add a little bit of salt to your tomatoes. Just a little bit, and this is optional if you want to add salt. As for me, I want it just to have taste, the middle of the sandwich to have taste. Then I'm going to lay it with my lettuce. There's my lettuce, guys. And yeah, I like to choose the young ones and I add them there. And I love lettuce. I'll add more of it. I love lettuce. Yeah, I can add even more of it. I love it. And then I can go ahead and add a little bit of tomatoes on top. This sandwich is going to be big. Remember, this is a meal. This is a meal. And just a pinch of salt, a little bit. That is optional. Then I'm going to add my cucumbers. I'm just to make them there. My cucumbers. Yeah, this is going to be so delicious. Delicious sandwich. You see, guys? So then again, just going to put my basil. This is basil. Just a sprinkle of basil there for the taste and for this like seasoning, guys. This is going to taste yummy. I'm telling you, I'm assuring you. If you don't have basil, it's okay. You can just do it just without the basil. It will be okay. So I'm going to put my meat there, and I want to sprinkle my mayonnaise. Also, mayonnaise is optional. Why doesn't want to open? And it spreads out. Okay. So I'm going accidents happen in the kitchen. So yeah, that's mayonnaise. It's finished, guys. That's why it's like that. It's almost done. I need to buy another one. So yeah, there's mayonnaise. Love it, and I've not eaten it. So you can add some chili at this point if you want. I'm just going to add this chili. I got this. It's a mango chili. It's called a chica mango chili, but you can add an ordinary chili. See, guys, chica chili, I don't know, mango chili. So I'm adding this one, and it's optional, this part. You can add any chili if you want. If you don't want chili, it's okay. So I love chili. I'm going to add them there, and a little bit of these chilies, the green chilies, just on top there. I want it to be hot on my in my mouth. I want this almost call it burger. It's not burger, it's sandwich. I almost called it burger. I want this sandwich to be hot in my mouth. And yeah, I'm a chili person, like chilies. And why not put the chilies? I want like a lot of them. So there are my chilies, and maybe just to hold them down with one cucumber. And guys, there we go. So it's time to take this to our pan. We have to heat our sandwich, guys. Look at this, so amazing. Isn't this amazing? And you can use cheese if you want. Also, you can add a layer of cheese, but I don't have cheese for now, and butter will do it for me. So let me go and put this on my pan and show you my ready-made sandwich. See how easy it is? I thought I was recording while putting this sandwich in this pan, but I wasn't recording. But nothing is spoiled. I have put my sandwich on my pan, and the heat is on. So yeah, you just press your sandwich. You press it. We don't want anything to fall. That's why we're heating this sandwich like this. And also the bread will be more yummy. So after it just gets to burn down there, that's when we're going to flip it around. But at this time, just to let it, I would press it a little bit. So guys, it's ready, and I'm going to flip it over. But nothing is wrong. Nothing has happened. Just one cucumber. And we're going to take that out. I put a lot of cucumber there. So I'm going just to press it again. and it will be ready. And remember guys, your pan has to have either butter, or mine had a little bit of oil, the one I used to fry the onions with. So you switch off your heat at this moment and let it just burn the rest of the heat from the pan. And my sandwich is ready guys. I'm going to serve it. Yeah, my sandwich is ready. My sandwich is ready to eat. So yeah, let me find a plate and put my sandwich there. Now it's ready. It won't flip, it won't fall. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how. I've made my sandwich. Ashley's there. She's also making her sandwich. And yeah, that's her sandwich. And mine is here. So you can see this is my sandwich, and I'm going just to take it. And yes guys, you can do this. It's easy. Making a sandwich is easy, and it's a good meal. Especially this one is so healthy. You're eating like vitamin C here. You're eating a whole wheat. You're eating protein here. And yeah, if you have an egg, you can just put it also there in the middle. And yeah, I'm happy you made a sandwich. So guys, yeah, like this video, and see you on my next video guys. Bye, and stay positive in your mind always. No matter what you're going through, just stay positive in your mind guys. Always. And I love you. I appreciate all of you who are watching, and thank you. See you on my next video. Bye. Guys, I made my sandwich, but I think mine is great, better than hers. Check it out. This is my sandwich, Ashley's sandwich, Master Chef Ashley. So yeah, what do you think about my sandwich? Hope you love it. Bye.